Good afternoon. So I wrote a second poem of the day, and it's called The Parrot of Hope. And it goes like this. The parrot derided unhappiness today. The parrot had black hair, dark eyes with a slim build delayed. She lost her way and needs to rebuild. Her self-esteem, proud and loud, but lost inside, a lost little girl. This parrot, she copies a derivative drive. This sad little child trying to fit in with her crowd. Her nastiness takes turns, one at a time. It lasts for a week and on and on. This parrot, she makes for eggshells at work. The negative attack to portray her need to be so enduring. If she only knew, a bully, well received. Don't need a drama, have my own. Don't need a beating, it's all been done. This parrot, she really needs to grow up. Just too old to have this game set up. Poor little parrot, I pray and give her to God. She'll never be anything, she refuses to grow. When the parrot talks behind one's back, it's important to know 10 other parrots see that attack. This parrot is toxic. She's drowning inside. I used to get mad, but finally see no need. An anguished mess of horror, this little parrot's life. No peace but sorrow, burning energy so. She ends up exhausted at the end of the day. Me. And that's exactly what you do to yourself. You end up exhausted because you're creating all this drama and letting it sit inside and fester even more. There's no need for it. I drew a card today from my magical deck, and I wanted to share it with you. I thought that was cool. It's letting me know exactly what. I may have burned out one, but it's time to move on. So be good to the earth. Be good to the humans. Be good to the animals. And most of all, always be good to your own heart. Have a good day.